Alright guys, January 3rd, 2022. We're going to make these quick update videos whenever we see anything interesting or once a day to do a little update. Anyways, stock market ETF 4 hourly, we got rejected here. Not hard by any measure. It looks like it's consolidating, which is completely reasonable. It went up about 6%, so nothing out of the ordinary right there. The 4 hourly ETH chart, we're getting a big squeeze here. It didn't happen to go up much. I think it's relieving a bit of pressure here. We'll see what happens. These squeezes tend to fake out one side, go down, but we'll see what happens. Up here, the hourly, pretty nice squeeze here, right? Seems like it's the equivalent of this one. And, that one went about 13% or so. So let's see what happens here, but it's on some major support. The green line's the 0.382 fib level. I think it's going to hold. I think what's happening is it's trying to fill the CME gap here, go for another spike down. I'm going to long pretty substantially right here. There's a confluence of a bunch of supports, the fib level, the CME gap. If you look at this line right here, this red one, which is basically this support created by the Stackcoin 1 indicator. It's proprietary at this point, but there's a couple of touch points right on the daily. Very good support. That's what you're seeing. The little recent dump of a few percent from this mini sort of 2 touch point distribution here. This dump was about 3%. I didn't get to go in here. I was fast asleep. And let's check here. What else we got? A lot of support, right? This is the 4 hourly or 30-minute chart. Actually, let's just go to the 4 hourly in general. But if you can see, there is going to be a lot of right here, a lot of confluence. That diagonal daily support, the 0.382. You got a couple of here daily supports. If you go on the daily, let's go here in the daily. See, down here at 3630, you got some daily support. Got a little resistance / support here in the 37. There's a lot of support here in general, so I'm expecting it to bounce around that level. Let's check the open interest. It seems like the open interest is ticking up a little bit right here. From this low, a lot of longs were placed inside here. So we might see a liquidation event here if they push the price a little bit, hit a few stop losses. Not unreasonable as well. 24-hour volume, 84. It's terrible. Liquidation, a bunch of longs and increasing longs, meaning there might be a last push. Last is subjective, but there might be a push down. Longs versus shorts. Let's check what we have here. Let's do 24 hours. I mean, Binance, Bybit, they're all short. FTX, right, overall you have that. Let's check the fast 4 hours, pretty aggressively short. If you go an hour, it's probably subsided slightly. That's basically it. Let's do a quick Bitcoin general trend. We don't know whether this is an actual structure forming, right? It has some characteristics of an accumulation, but we just don't know yet. We'll know after this push right here. Technically, if this is an accumulation, you'll see something along the lines of this, or maybe taps here and go back up. If it breaks here, then it was a redistribution in general, and you're going to see something, I would imagine, similar to this. Maybe it'll go to like 38, 39 or something. Again, you'd never know. I wouldn't expect it. I think whoever's done selling last year for tax purposes is done. I doubt we'll see anything major happening, but you never know. There's a massive squeeze right here as well on the daily. I hope what we see is here, a little fake out and then goes up. That's kind of what I'm expecting. If it goes down, it'll ruin the year for many people, because we don't know where it can actually stop. There's not much support anywhere here. I mean, like this would be the last point in reality, right? Something like this. But we never know, right? Breaks this, could go all the way down to 30. I don't think so. If you've watched my 2-year-long distribution idea, I think this is going to go for another, at least to this point, 60,000. If not, maybe a little bit more, then I think we'll see that dump all the way down here. A lot of money to be made still. We'll see what happens. Anyways, guys, that's all. A quick little update. If I see any type of good trade setup, I'll post it.